Stocks go up, stocks go down. End of month buying. How far do they buy stuff? Now, today we have defined numbers. Because of what happened yesterday, you have lots of defined numbers to the upside, and from a few days ago, you got defined numbers to the downside. What does that mean? Okay? You have Microsoft. If it gets to 306 and 313, market very good. If it goes under 292, market not so good, right? NVIDIA hit 240 while he was talking. Avago hit 573 while he was talking. Those numbers become huge numbers. If we get near there, maybe we rip. But if it doesn't, like NVIDIA, it looks nice right now. He's up, what, 5? But 5 is, the stock was at 240 yesterday. So if it doesn't get to 237, 238 and hold, that's telling you something. So wait and chill, wait and chill. So today becomes kind of a wait and chill day. Okay, then we see and then we see. NOW, Kramer says this is the thing you need to watch today. If this earnings should be was so good, this thing should, and this is my number, is 562. It should be 562. If it goes lower, the market is selling everything and can possibly sell off. Okay, so just know that. 530 has become intriguing, just in case we sell off. Okay, NVIDIA, 238, 244, Lam Research. This one was ugly. It was 530, but I told you guys why this happened. So they're building X amount of machines, and now it appears that they're not even going to have the parts or the components or the supply chain to build the same amount of machines next quarter as they build this quarter, even though they have the orders. Very interesting, very strange. By the numbers, at a 25 PE, $30 a year, $750. By the numbers, but it doesn't matter if you can't get the supplies. Avago, 573. Amazon got a downgrade today, a big downgrade, down to 3,600 target. Yesterday I told you, Amazon goes negative first. Watch it again. If it goes negative first, it seems to do that. Microsoft, 306, Afram, 49, Netflix. This one's easy. If it hits 369, it went right to 375 on Ackman's buy. If it goes to 369, it will go negative. Then we see. Snowman, 251, 232, Shopalicious. Does it break 800 or does it break 1,000? It sure looks like now it's going to sit here and do nothing for weeks. Interesting. Within this 30-point up and 30-point down range. Roku, 141, 127 beast. UPST, 106, 106. Lending Club had decent numbers in Crater. So just know that. They do similar stuff to UPST. BNTX, only up 4. Moderna says they're starting to test their vaccine for Omicron. So you probably get some news next week, maybe the week after. Nobody cares. It's only up 5. A year ago, if they had said something like that, it would have been up 25. Google, 2652 up, 2,500 round number down. Tesla, it has to get to 972 to be a little bit better, and underneath 851 to be worse. But Tesla scared people by, and his numbers, he guided way up for production, everything else. You know, he said all the right things. But the market is adhering to what J.P. Morgan said. You're in a period of slower growth for everybody. I mean, and which means profits go down, et cetera, et cetera. So the growth is slower, so they're going to pay less. And maybe it's only for a week or 2 or 3 weeks, but so pay less premiums. Then we know. Okay, so that's what we know, MasterCard down 8, I believe Omid said. AMD and their Xilinx deal got approved. But AMD is down a lot too, okay? So watch this. Think about it. Texas Instruments, stunning earnings, up 6. If the chips start rolling over because of what Lam Research said. If Micron comes out and says, oh my God, we got semiconductor issues again, chip issues, the whole sector is going to plunge. And then they'll come back in 3 months or 4 months. But they can go way lower. Everybody have a great trading day.
Okay.